Hey guys, what's up? It's Zain. I wanted to talk about today why you need to take that first step, right? Why you need to take that first leap to start your own business, right? A lot of people don't have that determination, or if they do have that determination to start a business, they lack the motivation. They make all types of excuses. They say, I'll start my business when this happens or when that happens, when I have more money. And the truth of the matter is, all you need is a mindset, right? If you have a mindset, or if you have the right mindset, you can start immediately, right? You can at least, at a minimum, start planning, right? Set a deadline, set a goal, set a date to when you will actually get things going, right? Because that's all you really need, right? Just the right mindset. And I understand a lot of people, they're working, they can't really give everything up to start their business because they may be living paycheck to paycheck. And that's why I'm saying, if you at least set a goal and start saving towards that goal, at least you're doing something, right? At least you're taking steps. At least you're taking progress instead of not planning for it at all, right? And it takes very little to start a business, right? It takes very little to get going. These days, everything's online, everything's virtual, and inventory doesn't even need to be kept on hand if your business is something that requires inventory, right? Now, I understand if you're running a restaurant, or you're running a parts shop, or you're running like a plant shop, or a bicycle shop, you may need to have that inventory right away. But if you're doing a delivery business, right? Or if you're selling, like, let's say something like CBD oil, you don't need to have that stock on hand right away. You can start your business online and start shipping, start placing orders, start charging for those orders, get your delivery, get your inventory, right? And start shipping for a profit, right? As far as an office goes, you can have a virtual office. You can use your home for your office if you don't have an office. Although eventually you want to grow, but if you don't have an office, you can use your home as your office, right? As far as your paperwork goes, what kind of business you want to start, you need a lawyer to at least help you to figure out what kind of entity you should form, right? If you should form a sole proprietorship, right? If you should form a LLC, if you should form a corporation, how to even get your name registered, how to do business using an assumed name. And my colleague Cash Ali, who's an attorney licensed in DC, did a video about this a few days ago, saying that the time to start your business is now, right? It's not tomorrow, it's not a year from now, it's now. And like I said, even if you're planning for it, you've essentially already been successful and you're starting your business. Just planning to start your business, right, is pretty much starting your own business because you're thinking about it. You're taking steps. Right? You're taking steps by thinking about it instead of just making excuses, right? So an example is, let's say you want to start your business, but you already have an excuse in your head. Oh, I don't have enough money. But let's say you have that same thought again. I want to start a business, and the very next thought you have is, all right, I don't have enough money, but let me start saving a little bit, right? Let me save up a couple of $100 so I can get the paperwork going. I can give my attorney some money to start to register a LLC for me, to register a business name for me, to get everything going, right? Now, that thought is better than the thought of saying, I don't have any money, forget it, and you not planning. By you planning for your business, if you're not going to start right away, because like I said, a lot of people can't give everything up. They have kids, you have kids, you're married, and if you were to just quit your job and be someone immediately, you can't do it. You're going to be like, Zane, I can't do this. So that's why I want you to start planning. If you have a great plan, start planning, right? And if you guys need any resources, I can give you resources, right? You can get in touch with me. You can email me. My email's in the description. and get in touch with me, and I can give you the resources, right? I can pinpoint you to the right resources to start your own business, right? Or I can give you some motivational guidance on how to do it, how I did it, how other people are doing it, what the trends are like. So guys, the time is now to start your business. Not, like I said, not tomorrow, not a year from today, not, if you have this great idea, you can do it today, right? It's more easy than ever to start your own business, right? Everything's online. Social media is a very powerful tool, right? Before it used to be TV. Everybody would